Look at this little puppy. Natasha, look how nice that is. Team, type in a 2 if that's like a I mean, that is, you can't get a trade better than that. You couldn't draw a trade better than that setup. Give me a break. Okay, so how would you have known that's the one to take? Well, first of all, you take all of them is answer number 1. Man, look at this 88, man. There's some wicks in here for sure. There is some wicks in here. Check this one out right there. I love that entry. Now, this bear candle here, inside bear candle, what I like about this candle is you have that like indecision type of like, yeah, it's indecision. I don't know what else to say. And then what you have leading up to it is kind of like this double bottom action thing. So you got the double bottom, you got a close, you got a neckline retest, you got a break above, you got a bull candle, then you got that inside candle. We all know that this trade works. But how I would have played it, I think, is I would have entered here and my stop would have gone, I probably would have done a low of day. Or whatever this time frame is, low of this low. And my target would have been here because that's around 1.2. But the stop at the low would have allowed me to move it to here and then here. 0.7 to where, Emily? 0.7 to 0.5, right? I look for those trade setups, and when they're there, I take that opportunity. Let me know if that makes sense. Alex says, makes sense. All right. Well, yeah, let's go to the next. So next was you get triggered in. So we're in the trade. Now I love this because of the close. Do you guys, is that clear? So now I'm waiting. Next candle comes in. When this candle comes in, this is when I move my stop from the low to the negative 0.7. All right. Next candle. I mean, we all know this trade works. This one wasn't a surprise. That candle, I'm probably moving my stop to 0.5, and then, we wait. That always sucks to hold through. We're waiting. A little bit of a potential double top. When this candle comes in, right, our entry was here. I take the stop loss, move it all the way to there. So that's above my entry. Clear? Any questions? We'll see how it plays out, but potential little double top. But this is the strong bull candle with a shade bottom. This is a little tweezer bottom right here. Looking pretty good. All right, next candle. Oh wow, that's ridiculous. Would have been a great trade. Scott says, why move the stop loss above the entry? So that was just a great question. So essentially, man, I do follow those stop loss rules like a robot 99% of the time. When there is, and it forms a very, very strong pivot that's extremely obvious where I need to have my stop and a potential warning signal, which was this could have been a double top. There's no need to have the stop at negative 0.2, which would have been there. If I can just move my stop to a clearly defined spot that's very, very obvious to me where I'm still going to make money on the trade. Because this is a tweezer bottom, which is an extremely strong reversal signal. There's no need for it to break that price. If it breaks that price, it's going to go all the way down to stop me out. So I might as well make a profit at that stage. That's really it, man. So, I mean, again, 99% of the time, I'm really watching extremely closely how you want to take the trade, how you want to move your stop losses. And that negative 0.5 to negative 0.2, it's generally just on slower moving positions. Hasn't done a lot. It's been creeping along. Hasn't really made a lot of profit. Hasn't made a lot of gains. And if I can get a clearly defined pivot to move my stop from negative to positive, I will.